chai spiced cranberry jam. So we've got some classic chai spices here. We've got cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, allspice, and nutmeg. And of course cranberries, a little bit of ginger.
So the first step is to toast the spices. Just toss them in there till they just start to smoke a little bit. I think I had my pan a little bit too hot, so they started smoking really quickly. Then add in a half a cup of water. Swirl that all around. Then go ahead and add in the 3 tablespoons of sugar after that comes back to a boiling. And just swirl that all around to get the sugar mixed up in there. And then go ahead and add in the ginger. Then go ahead in and add the cranberries. Then go ahead and bring the cranberries back up to the boil. Turn the heat down and let it simmer for 25 minutes. To make sure we get a nice bit of ginger flavor, we're just going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of ginger right at the end. Remove any pieces of whole spices in the pot. And next we want to just blend it up smooth.
Okay, so now the moment of truth. My cranberry chai spice jam. Hey, not bad.